Hello, chefs. Welcome. It's Annette Daly. I am a mentor and trainer with Pampered Chef, and I love chips. And if you're anything like me, you cannot eat just one. And we all know that chips in a bag are not that healthy, but I love sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are delish. So I have made some sweet potato chips with our chip maker set in Pampered Chef. Comes together in a set of two. And I'm going to show you how to make these bad boys. They come out very crisp. Let me see if you can hear it. It's good. It's very good. So, best way to do it, to get your chips really thin, is to use our Pampered Chef Simple Slicer. Put it on number 1. And that means your chips are going to come out really thin. Got it. Woohoo! And then, if you can see, look how big and thin these are. They're fabulous. And then, you guys, let me see if you can see, you put it on a paper, some paper towels, because you want your chips to not have a lot of moisture on them. So all I have done is I've take a paper towel and kind of pat over it like this. Get some of that extra moisture off of it. Okay. That's good. These are so thin thanks to our simple slicer that sometimes it sticks to the paper towel, but I'm good this time. All right, well then you put your favorite seasonings on them. I am a spicy lover. And that reminds me, come on over and join my Facebook group called Annette's Spicy Life Society with Pampered Chef. Hey, in here I have crushed peppercorn and garlic rub. This is a Pampered Chef rub and it is gluten-free and kosher. So I just go ahead and do a little sprinkle of seasoning on each of these little chips. And then you put it on your tray. Now you can double it up and put the other tray on top. If you do 2 trays at a time, it's 3 minutes. 1 minute for one tray. 2 minutes for one tray. So you guys, I love it. Let's see, the simple slicer and the chip maker. If you get the set together, you save $2.50. Together, this is $52. Yay! So, guys, if you want to save the waste and the heart, but you still want some crunchy chips, I think you need to place your order for this chip maker. See you guys on the Pampered Chef trail ahead. Thanks for tuning up. Peace, love, and hot stuff, baby.